fabric shopping. I'm going to show you how it looks like here because it's war. It's war to get fabric. It's war. I show you all what I got in the market today, I'm just going to give today's shout out, which goes to Maria and Lily. Thank you both for subscribing to my channel. I love you so much. So if you want to get a shout out, all you have to do is comment on this video or any of my other videos, subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell, and you may be on my next shout out. So let's jump right into this video. I went to the market, and yes, fabric shopping went awesome. So I went to market under a budget of 2.5. Actually, the all things I planned to buy was 2.3, but my mom added allowance miscellaneous, so it became 2.5. And with that 2.5, I was supposed to buy my fabric I want to use for my jumpsuit and my organza, like basically those two things. But it went great, and the things were cheaper than I budgeted, so I got like tons of stuff, and I still bought under 2.5. I bought my stuff at 2,250, and it was all two things. I think about 5 or 6, I don't know. So let me show you. So the first thing I got actually has failed to serve the purpose for which I bought it. So I bought a new tailoring shock because I plan on doing tutorials and whatnot, but it broke. Like, it literally broke when I was unpacking my stuffs. So I bought my tailoring shock, and I got organza. It was cheap. And also this awesome, let me just tell you, I have gotten a fabric customer today. I went to this store, Shade, and she has really awesome fabrics. Like, the texture and the quality, you can see that they are really nice, and they're also really cheap. So yes, I really like her. Don't know if that made any sense. So yes, I got this material. I got it in 2 yards, and I got this in 1 yard. So I plan on using this to make a jumpsuit, this jumpsuit right here. And then I'll make another one for my sister. But yeah, I already have that fabric at home, so I didn't buy that. So I'm just going to combine this and make that. So I was wondering, I don't think I want to wear a bra in the jumpsuit. Neither do I want to sew cups in it. So I got the perfect solution. I got me some Estee. I got this in half yard, so because I don't really use it that much, but I got this in half yard, and it's also really cheap. And then I got me some thread. I usually used to buy like the very tiny thread, but I found that it's a waste of money, so I bought the big one today. And yes, I also got me some chocolate because I was hungry in the market. I bought some cake. I didn't even have a chance to use what I bought, so I guess I'm going to eat it right now that I am soon. So after I finished with my market shopping, fabric shopping, I went to my school and I got my IT later. I'm not going to show you. Don't think I will not show you because personal details. So I got my IT later, and I got the home I want to do it in to sign it for me. I still need my instructor to sign some parts and then photocopy and return. I'll do all of that tomorrow. Also with my hair, because I want to attend a fashion show on Thursday. Let me be giving you all small hints. I want to attend a fashion show on Thursday. I'll definitely vlog about that. So I'm definitely going to drop a tutorial on when I make this dress, this jumpsuit right here. So please kindly do subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and comment down below what you think of this video. And yes, that's all for this video. It's mainly a fabric shopping market vlog, so I'm not going to add anything else to it, or am I? Also, it made me like go to the bank and back. I sure you saw the video. And yes, I'm supposed to give you a shout out, right? I forgot the name of I want to shout out.